Hello.
Good afternoon and welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are...
I have no idea.
We are driving from our campsite at Echo Canyon Campground, which was so amazing last night.
Yep.
We didn't film it. We had an off night. Just
Chill.
chilled, relaxed.
Had a shower.
Oh my gosh,
What
it
is
was
that?
so nice.
And now it's lunchtime.
Yeah, we stopped at these beautiful mountains, which is actually where Great Basin National Park is. We're not going there, but we stopped here to grab a bite to eat because we still have about 2.5 hour, 3 hour drive to our next destination, which is the Bonneville Salt Flats, hopefully. And there's going to be a full moon tonight, so we're so excited to see how it all plays out the rest of the day.
Hopefully we find the epic campsite and the wind cooperates.
Yeah. So, let's get this adventure started.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We've made it.
We made it to Bonneville Salt Flats. Holy moly. This place is so gorgeous.
Yeah. How many hours did we drive today?
I think we drove like 4.5 hours, but probably a little more in the car with gas stops and all that kind of stuff. But it was worth it, wasn't it?
And we just lost an hour. We're in Utah.
Yeah. We've been time traveling back and forth for the last couple of days.
Yep. But I found a great spot right next to a mountain and everything.
Oh my gosh.
I think this is going to work.
Yeah.
So
it's gorgeous.
let's get set up.
Let's do it.
Go.
Do it.
Oh my.
set up. For the most part, we got the tent up, but we're so excited now that we've got the awning fixed and they're on the new brackets. Let's go take a look at it because it is so amazing. All right, we've got this Taruka awning on here by Bushwacka, and it was actually really easy to set up. I was a little scared because we've never set one up before, but it was super simple.
First time.
Yeah, first time. We just had to make sure we got it all tightened down correctly so it didn't go flying off.
New brackets on. Tent will fit.
Yeah, and it's tall enough for both of us. Like, oh my gosh, this is so perfect.
I still got
Ton of headroom.
all right, now we're gonna get our bed set up and then start slowly getting dinner going and relax and waiting for this full moon to come out.
Oh yeah, the full moon tonight. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so amazing out here.
Yeah. All right, got bed set up as usual.
Is inhaled a bug on accident?
Uh-oh, that's not good. Yuck.
Tonight we are making what we made a couple weeks ago. We were in the Deschutes National Forest, so we've got some potatoes, some sweet peppers, corn, and our garlic rope sausage. So we're gonna grill it all up in a 1 skillet meal and cook it up. Let's go. All right, we got dinner ready. Our 1 skillet meal with the potatoes, with the herb seasoning, garlic sausage, sweet peppers, corn, and some garlic bread. Oh, this is so good again.
Yeah. What a change of scenery from last night to tonight.
What are you talking about?
Man,
from Tuesday to Wednesday to tonight. It's been so completely different.
Grand Canyon.
Desert
kind of oasis reservoir canyon to a salt flat. What's tomorrow?
A hot spring.
Hot springs. Hopefully soak. finished up dinner, and I'm just gonna be putting the camera way out from our light pollution. We are ready for a night time lapse, and the moon is, I don't know where it's at. Hope you enjoy. Where's it at? Hello? Hey, where are you, moon? Jeez, look at this. What an amazing campsite. Yep. And we think we see it.
On the horizon.
Yep. So let's put the long lens on and see what's up.
Are you getting this?
Yes?
Oh my god. This is like something I've never seen before.
That's it.
Alright, that's it for this night on the Bonneville Salt Flats. It is beautiful, but man, it is cold.
It's cold a little bit. The wind picked up a little bit.
Yep.
And
So
we're gonna go snuggle in
and finish watching what?
Star Wars.
Star Wars, of course, because it feels like we're in Star Wars land.
Desolate places. It's Tatooine.
Alright, well, we will pick this back up in the morning, and I have got a awesome breakfast plan.
Sweet. Go.
Right.
Look at the sunrise. Zero wind. Sunrise on one side. Moon's on the other. Leaving races up. Look at that. Oh, good morning. We're live.
We are. What an awesome night. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Zero wind. Amazing sunset when we got up at
Sunset,
5:30?
moonrise, and then, getting up at 5:30 and seeing
Moon was over there.
moon not setting so much because it was just so huge in the sky.
Yeah.
But the sunrise, oh my goodness.
Wow.
That was so amazing.
Yep. Love it out here. But now, what's this?
So
What is
I
this?
am making,
What is this artist?
I'm going to make brioche French toast with strawberries and top it with some whipped mixed berry cream cheese, some syrup, some whipped cream.
Woo.
What? And then a couple little sausage links. But first, the most important part of the day. We got this Ironman 4x4. We had to put it in a baggie because the smell is so strong in a good way. But we got the beadlock 4 low medium roast. It's got subtle spice, floral, milk chocolate, and caramel finish. So scan that QR code if you want to order some coffee. It's really good. So we've got our 2 pieces of brioche French toast done. So what we're gonna do is just put a layer of this mixed berry cream cheese in the middle. Top it with the second one. And breakfast is served.
Dang, son. Here's Brian destroying it. Mm-hmm. How was it?
I think I outdid myself.
Yeah.
That was so good. Oh, I'm so stuffed.
Me too.
It's a good thing we don't eat lunch.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
All right, now we're going to get slowly packed up and then on to west.
I actually get to drive today, don't I?
Okay.
He hasn't let me actually drive with the trailer yet. And I've never driven, like, pulled anything, so... But
Just
I did
go.
drive this in yesterday.
Yeah, like that drone shot? Sick. That's it.
Oh, wow, what a beautiful area. I cannot say enough good things about this place.
Freaking amazing.
Oh my gosh, I've wanted to come here for so long, and I'm so glad we finally got to do it. Definitely not enough time spent here, but we will be back one day.
Yeah, a couple days, 3 days, 4 days, whatever. It'd be nice.
Oh my gosh, it is just gorgeous.
Yeah, but we're all packed up, ready to go west on our next adventure.
Ooh, yeah, stay
check it out.
tuned. We are traveling the loneliest highway in Nevada. Or it's supposed to be the loneliest highway ever.
I think
don't know.
yesterday was.
We'll give you a little information about it in the next video.
Yep.
So, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.